How to be that mysterious woman who captures any man's attention. Ever noticed how some women seem to effortlessly magnetize men? It's as if they have this unexplainable allure that just draws you in. You can't really put your finger on it, but it's undeniably there. What they've mastered is the lost art of being mysterious. Sadly, it's a skill many women today have overlooked. But if you missed this lesson growing up, it's never too late. A lot of us fall into habits that, let's face it, aren't doing us any favors in the romance department. You might think you don't have that irresistible charm you see in movie stars, but now's the chance to flip the script. In this video, we'll delve into the nuts and bolts of how to keep a man intrigued by that sense of mystery, making him not just interested but downright enamored with you. And hey, if you're already in a relationship, these tips work just as well for adding a sprinkle of mystery to your current love life. So, shall we begin? What exactly is a mysterious woman? Firstly, let's unpack what mystery really is. It's the knack for captivating someone to the point where they just can't get you out of their head. Sound like something you want to master? Every woman inherently knows that when a man can't stop thinking about her, falling head over heels is practically a given. Those who seem to effortlessly command a room, who people naturally gravitate towards, know how to ration out bits of themselves. They're generous, but they don't give away the whole store. To be mysterious is to engage others with one of the most potent instruments at your disposal, their own imaginations. Make your own time and well-being a priority. This not only makes you more attractive, but also benefits your overall wellness, equipping you with the emotional reserves to genuinely engage with others when the moment calls for it. Now consider this. What's the fastest way to ruin a great mystery movie or a gripping novel? Yup, someone blurting out the ending. That kills the intrigue and makes continuing the journey pointless. The same goes for revealing all there is to know about you to a man. Keep some cards close to your chest and let his imagination do the heavy lifting. Number 1. Avoid overcommunication. Sometimes less is more. Resist the urge to divulge every little detail about yourself when chatting with someone. Don't head into a date spilling your whole life story or filling every quiet moment just because it feels awkward. Being friendly and transparent is great, but oversharing? Not so much. When a woman talks a mile a minute, it might leave the guy with zero questions to ask. The reality? Overcommunication often masks underlying insecurity. A woman who's at ease with herself won't feel the need to prove anything to the man. Instead, she'll let him prove himself to her. So, how to tackle this? Master the art of detachment and become comfortable with those silent moments. The next time you're faced with one, just sit with it. You might be shocked at what unfolds when you're at peace with quietude. Most folks aren't, so they just keep yapping. Number 2. Be a woman of mystery. Hold back just a bit. Giving incomplete answers keeps them guessing and honestly piques their curiosity. Take it from me. It's a strategy that's worked on me. I dated a woman who seemed flawless, but had some traits that later made me question her real personality. Whenever I'd ask her a question, she'd just flash a smile. And you know what? That held my interest for way longer than it should have. Not that I'm advocating for mind games, but you don't have to be an open book. First off, there are queries that might make you uncomfortable, and you don't owe anyone an immediate answer. Plus, let's face it, some men treat dates like interviews, asking questions to slot you into categories. Casual fling, girlfriend material, or wife potential. Your move? Smile and hold back. If pressed, you could say, "I'm not sure I want to share that just yet." Or deflect with a counter question, like, "What makes you ask?" Bottom line, you don't have to meet his every expectation. Keep him on his toes and stand apart from the crowd. Most women do the exact opposite. And where's the fun in that? Number 3. Keep your emotions and ideas to yourself. No need to wear your heart on your sleeve. Laugh at your partner's jokes, sure, but avoid cracking up like it's the funniest thing you've ever heard. Let him in, but not too far in. Keep some of those deeper feelings under wraps. Number 4. Don't be too impressed. It's in a man's nature to try to impress, right? But if you act wowed by every little thing he does, he'll lose interest, plain and simple. Show appreciation, but maintain a demeanor that suggests you've been impressed by better before. For example, 100 red roses should get a smile and a thank you, not a swoon and a scream. Number 5. Don't talk about the future. It's like a football game. You don't want a blowout win. You want a close match to keep things interesting. Same goes for relationships. The uncertainty is the exciting part, especially when you're not sure if the other person feels the same way. Don't spill the beans about your long-term plans, keep him guessing. Number 6. Don't be too coy. There's such a thing as playing it too cool. Sure, you don't want to spill your guts on the first date, but total silence won't win you any points either. Keep things balanced, reveal just enough to pique his curiosity. That's all there is to it. Hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you did. Thanks for watching.